Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the detergent box assembly in an LG washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new detergent box assembly. The detergent box assembly is used for dispensing the detergent and the softener into the tub during the cycle. The main reason for the detergent box assembly to be replaced is if it cracks, causing leaks. We're going to start with opening the lid. Pull out the detergent box assembly all the way, and I'm going to lift it up and remove it. This is the old detergent box assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new detergent box assembly, slide it on the rails, and then we can push it in. Now we can close the lid. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.